Welcome to the magical rainforest. When the sun hides behind the trees, the rainforest animals start getting sleepy. Do you want to join me in checking who's still awake? Hey there, dear friend. This deer danced with fireflies, healed injured creatures, and whispered ancient wisdom to the trees. Her grace and magic brought harmony to this enchanted world, making her the guardian of the rainforest's wonders. Now, as night creeps in, she finds a cozy spot to relax. Can you say goodnight to the deer and wish her sweet dreams? Good night, dear. Hello, lemur. This little guy spent his days playing games with his pals and leaping from branch to branch. As the sky turns twilight, he finds a comfy tree spot to rest, ready for more rainforest adventures tomorrow. Can you wave to the lemur and say goodnight? Good night, lemur. Hi there, leopard. This sleek cat explored the Green Kingdom, blending into the shadows with her black-spotted coat. During the day, she prowled quietly. But as the sun sets, she climbs a tall tree branch, stretches her tired legs, and watches over the rainforest like a guardian. She keeps the forest secrets safe as night falls and the rainforest whispers its lullabies. Can you blow a sleepy kiss to the leopard and say goodnight? Good night, leopard. Hello, monkey. This playful monkey spent his days swinging through the trees and playing tricks on his friends. He's the rainforest's jester, bringing smiles and joy to all who live here. Now, it's time to settle down in his favorite tree. Can you help the monkey settle in and say goodnight? Good night, monkey. Hi, panther. This panther's ebony coat blends perfectly with the shadows, letting her move as silently as a whisper. By day, she explores the Green Kingdom with gentle steps. She curls up in a hidden spot, tucking her paws underneath as the sun sets. Can you rub your eyes sleepily and say goodnight to the panther? Good night, panther. Hello, parrot. This parrot fills the air with vibrant squawks and bright feathers during the day. She's like a living rainbow in the rainforest, adding beauty and cheerful chatter to this enchanted realm. When night falls, Parrot finds a cozy branch to snuggle on. With her eyes closed, she sleeps peacefully, dreaming of rainbows and jungle adventures. Can you say goodnight to the parrot and wish her peaceful dreams? Good night, parrot. Hello, red panda. This red panda spends her days munching on delicious leaves, her tummy full and content. Panda is a symbol of quiet contentment in the rainforest, reminding us that simple pleasures and a peaceful heart are treasures in this enchanted realm. Can you say goodnight to the red panda and wish her peaceful dreams? Good night, red panda. Hello, sloth. This sloth watches the bustling world below from his cozy tree branch. He doesn't rush or hurry, instead, he enjoys the rainforest's gentle rhythm. Sloth is like a living meditation, teaching us that sometimes, the sweetest moments are found in stillness and patience. As the sun sets, he closes his eyes, his dreams filled with tranquil, leafy landscapes. Can you blink slowly, just like the sloth, and whisper, "Good night"? Good night, sloth. Hello, snake. This snake explores the rainforest, her smooth movements blending with the rustling leaves. She's like a guardian of the rainforest's hidden wonders, embracing the stillness of the night and safeguarding its secrets. As the sun dips below the horizon, she coils into a snug circle, her scales glistening under the moonlight. Can you say goodnight to the snake? Good night, snake. Hello, owl. This owl spends his nights perched high in the tallest tree, his large, observant eyes scanning the darkness. Owl ensures that the rainforest's mysteries are safe and that its creatures can rest peacefully under the watchful gaze of the night owl. He listens to the whispers of the night, the secrets of the forest, and the stories carried by the winds. Can you say good night to the owl and wish him sweet dreams? Good night, owl. Hello, bat. This bat spends her nights dancing amidst the twinkling stars, her wings creating enchanting patterns in the night. She's the rainforest storyteller, carrying tales from the depths of the forest to the highest branches. With every graceful swoop, bat weaves a tapestry of nighttime wonders, reminding us that even in the dark, there's beauty and magic in a rainforest's embrace. Can you wave to the bat and say good night? Good night, bat. Hello, frog. This frog spends his days croaking sweet melodies that echo through the lush greenery, bringing joy to the forest. As the sun sets and the rainforest turns into a symphony of whispers, Frog nestles by the water's edge. His dreams are filled with visions of rainbows and sparkling ponds, reminding us that happiness can be found in the simple songs of the rainforest's friendly frog. Can you help the frog settle down and say good night? Good night, frog. Hello, spider. This spider spends her days crafting delicate tapestries that glisten like silver threads in the sun. She's the rainforest's weaver of dreams, showing that even the tiniest creatures play important roles in the magical web of life within the lush, mystical realm. As the rainforest grows quiet under the blanket of night, she repairs her creations and spins tales in the moonlight. Can you say good night to the spider and wish her a peaceful sleep? Good night, spider. As the rainforest sings its bedtime songs and the night sky sparkles, all our rainforest friends settle down for the night. You did a wonderful job helping each one sleep. Well done. Now it's your turn to rest your head, close your eyes, and dream about all your adventures in the rainforest today. Good night, little one. Good night, rainforest.